Sending love and light is simple yet powerful technique. The power of our heart is 60 times more powerful than our thoughts. Sending love and light lifts you and those who are in difficult times by shifting energies. So next time, instead of worrying about them, send them love and light. Enjoy the exercise. Do it joyfully. Love it. I tell you how to do it. Go to a quiet place. Close your eyes. Relax yourself. Take at least 5 deep breaths, focusing on the breathing process only. I mean, become centered in your body. Fully attentive to air going in and out of the body. Next, pay attention to your mind and don't let any thought enter your mind for 30 seconds or 1 minute or so. When you feel you can stop your thoughts no more, take your attention to your heart, filling it with love, joy and happiness. Feel love and happiness there. Feel joy there. Milk these feelings as much as you can. Magnify them, exaggerate them. Now, go again into the mind and guard it from the wandering thoughts. Then back to the heart, filling it with joy or love and light. Be there in the joyful and love-filled heart. Switch between heart and mind, stopping the mind from thoughts and filling the heart with joy, love and light as before. Now you are powerfully vibrating. This is love and light. You can live in this state as long as you like. Now if it is forgiveness case, imagine love and light from your heart eliminating that person you are angry with. See that person smiling and see yourself smiling as well. It worked for me many times. I become calm and peaceful with this. A person got into an argument with me and went away threatening. I sent him love 4 to 5 times. After a week or so, he came to me, apologized, and later he sent me a gift. Now, if the person you are sending love and light is unwell, see him recovered fully in your mind after you're sending him love and light, which will work as a healing energy then.